Hello everybody, welcome to Kalki Krishna Diary. I am Kalki, and before beginning this video, let me tell you, I'm gonna make this video a little bit by Hindi and with English because this video should be made in Hindi and English for better reach because this film is all about that. So, uh, I have told you in my recent video that there is a huge film festival going online, and I had described all about this and I had given the link and everything. In this video also I will give you every detail of that film festival, and the film festival name is We Are One. So there is a film was premiering in at 4:30, so I just finished watching that and I thought I will make this video, I will make this review later on, but I thought no, I need to reach out to you people so that you will you'll be interested to watch such films which are premiering every day till 10th of June. And so yeah, this is it. So this film I'm gonna talk about, the name is Abby Ellie U. If I'm pronouncing it right, Abby Ali U. So what does it mean? I'll tell you. And the whole story is about that. Whole story is running with this particular sentence, Abby Ali U. I'm just reading it time and again so that I will not mispronounce it. So this film is a social satire film. This film is directed by Pratik Bhatt, written by Shubham, screenplay by also Shubham, and cinematography by Shomendra Shahi, and in the lead by whom this film is running around, and his name is Shardul Bharadwaj. So this film is a 2019 film, and this film came to know because of Anurag Kashyap. He posted it on his all the social media platforms, and I got to know about this film, and I decided that I will watch this film. So this film is going all the film festivals, and in this film festival I'm talking about the We Are One film festival. It showcased on 4:30 today only. So what is this film about? Let me tell you one thing. If you're watching my video more regularly, you must be knowing that I love simple films, and this film, as I said, is a social satire film. So ऐसा होता है ना हमारे जो we do lot many kind of jobs. There are certain kind of job we don't even know about it. So there is a man that is played by Shardul Bharadwaj. He is doing a job which chasing monkeys. ये दिल्ली की बात है, तो दिल्ली में बहुत सारे बंदर बंदर का जो मात्रा है बहुत सारे बढ़ गए हैं. सो देर आर सम पीपल हु आर अपॉइंटेड टू चेज दिस मंकी. वो बंदर को भगाने के लिए उनको नौकरी मिल जाता है. तो ये जो बंदा है अपनी बहन के पास रहता है दिल्ली में. तो उसका जो जीजा जी है वो एज ए सिक्योरिटी गार्ड जिस जगह पे काम करते हैं उन्होंने इसको इस नौकरी पे लगा दिया है. सो दिस guy is very happy that he has got a job. But now the real struggle starts. He is failing in his job every single day, and every single day there is a complaint against him that इससे ये काम नहीं हो पा रहा है. there is something that he is messing up with his job. So उसका जो सीनियर है तो उसको बार बार उसको बोल रहा है कि सी तेरे से काम नहीं हो रहा है, हो सके तो छोड़ दे. पर ही नीड्स अ जॉब बिकॉज इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब. उसके फैमिली बहुत खुश है कि मेरे भाई को गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल गया है, अब ज़िंदगी में लड़की आ गई है, वो भी काफ़ी खुश है. पर उसे थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है कि ये किसका काम है. बट स्टिल सी इज़ हैप्पी दैट ही इज़ डूइंग ए गवर्नमेंट जॉब. So every single morning he is waking up and he is doing this work, but every single time he is failing. He is applying a different kind of tarika to make this work successful, but every time he gives his effort, it becoming a big disaster. So now बहुत कुछ होने के बाद इसे नौकरी से हाथ धोना पड़ता है. बट उसका स्ट्रगल यहीं पे ख़त्म नहीं होता है. वो क्या करता है क्या नहीं करता है, और इस दौरान वो जो नौकरी जब से मिल रहा है और छोड़ने तक, पर उसके बाद, और उसका थोड़ा फैमिली बैकड्रॉप भी है, क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, कुछ हाथ कुछ है जिसका एज आई ऑलवेज से कि ए पर्सन इज़ अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हिज पास्ट. तो उसका बैकग्राउंड जो है, उसका जो कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग है, उसके पीछे जो जो कैरेक्टर से मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली उसकी बहन है और उसका जीजाजी है, उन दोनों को स्टोरी भी इसके साथ थोड़ा सा मर्ज है. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल फिल्म. हाउ we as a society don't understand some of the jobs. Yes, and that is completely natural because ऐसा होता है कि हम लोगों को कुछ चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आती है. एंड दैट थिंग becomes a nightmare of somebody's life, how he struggles entirely in his life to become fit in this society, not exactly in the society, but किसी को काम चाहिए होता है, क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द डे यू नीड ब्रेड एंड बटर टू सर्वाइव, एंड दिस इज वाई ए पर्सन कैन गो एनी एक्सटेंट, राइट? This film is all about that. First of all, I would like to say a big congratulations to Shardul Bharadwaj who has acted beautifully, beautifully. ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस बंदे ने उस कैरेक्टर को जिया है. It is that natural. And second, I would like to say Shubham, written by Shubham. Salute to that guy जिसके दिमाग में ये थॉट आया कि इन लोगों के ऊपर फिल्म बनाते हैं, जिसको पता था कि ऐसे भी लोग हैं ज़िंदगी में जो रोज़ अपनी लाइफ में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, एंड वी एज सोसाइटी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैम. एंड देन आई विल टेल, directed and produced by Pratik Bhatt, as I said. Very nicely done, Pratik, very nicely done. He has done a very nice job, and most importantly the editing part is very good, and the colorist, he has done a very good job, and his name is Siddharth Mir. Yes, he has done a very good job entirely. I will say, if you watched this film, because I had already told you that this film is gonna stream in my previous video, if you watched this film, let me tell your comment so that I will know, okay, what is your perception about this film. Let me add one more thing. This film is a very simple film to understand. You will, suddenly connect ki, oh my god, this kind of society, this kind of people do exist, and we have no idea about it. So I'm super happy, I'm super glad, I'm super satisfied to watch such film. I will urge you, please, I have given all the thing in the description. It gonna stream more 9 days. Don't miss. You're gonna watch some phenomenal film which you are never going to watch. Maybe, I hope you're gonna watch, but you are not going to get a chance to watch such films in theaters or in any OTT platform. I just hope it comes to OTT platform, but I'm not very sure about it. So thank you so much to Anurag Kashyap, who had promoted this film through his social media very well, because I got to know about this film from him only. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, if this is informative enough, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that I can make such videos more and more. And please go to the description, it is very, very, very helpful. So yeah, happy watching, and thank you so much for watching.